A family tree is a graphical representation of your family members. It tells about your family members and their relations. You can also print your family tree and decorate your home with your family tree. If you also want to know how to start a family tree, then this video is only for you. In this video, I will tell you about the process of making a family tree easily. So, without getting late, let's get started with the video. Welcome to the Family Tree Maker Support, the best place for getting genealogy program support. Simple steps to make a family tree. Making a family tree is not a difficult task. You can easily start your family tree without any hassle. Here, I give some points on how to start a family tree. Please check them and start your family tree now. Step number 1. Gather information. The first step that you need to take is gathering the information about your family. For this, you can also get help of your family members and relatives. Apart from this, you can also use public records to get family information. The more information you have, your family tree will be big. So, make sure to have more information about your family. Step number 2. Choose family tree template. After getting the family information, the next step is choosing a family tree template. Choose any template that suits your family. There are so many free family tree templates available in the market. Step number 3. Insert family information into the template. After choosing a family tree template for your family tree, now it's time to insert the family information. Put all the family information into the family tree template one by one. Step number 4. Connect family members. Once you insert all the information of your family to the tree template, now connect all the family members to each other. Make sure you connect with the family members in the right manner. Step number 5. Click on the Save button. After performing all these things, the last step is to save your family tree by clicking on the Save button. Now your family tree is ready to share. You can easily share your family tree with your family members and friends. So, these are the simple 5 tips on how to start a family tree. If you need any help, then feel free to contact us at our toll-free number 1-800-697-1474. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching the video.